enjoy putting butter on your baked potato? Maybe you love the taste of garlic butter rice, or maybe you just can't eat pasta without incorporating some delicious butter in it. If you have said yes to all of those questions, you also might have undoubtedly felt a twinge of guilt while doing so. Or even worse, you can be torn between using butter or another type of spread and feel uncomfortable and confused about it. Is margarine better than butter? It's a question that has been debated for years, with opinions on both sides. So let's take a closer look. Welcome to our brand new series of Which is Better, where we discuss some controversial comparisons. Before we begin, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel to keep yourself updated on keeping yourself healthy naturally. First of all, let's find out the difference between butter and margarine. Butter is produced by churning cream or milk to separate the solid from the liquid components. It primarily consists of saturated fat because it is a concentrated source of milk fat. Meanwhile, margarine is a processed product made to resemble butter in both flavor and appearance. It is made from plant-based oils, including canola and soybean oil. It is frequently suggested as a heart-healthy substitute. So the next question is, which one is better, butter or margarine? Being so high in saturated fat, butter has always been considered extremely unhealthy and associated with an increased risk of cardiovascular diseases. But a recent study showed that butter has little to neutral interrelation to diabetes or heart diseases. That being said, some scientists claim that eating saturated fat is bad news for us, while others are convinced that it is good for us, aiding in improving the blood lipid profile. Coming over to margarine. Margarine may have some heart-healthy elements, but it frequently contains trans fat. Trans fat is unfortunately produced as a byproduct, which comes as a result of high-temperature cooking, changing margarine fats into trans fat. Chronic illness risk has been linked to consuming a lot of industrial trans fats, which has been linked to a higher risk of heart disease and other health problems. The final verdict. Margarine and butter have a similar appearance and serve the same function in the kitchen. Their nutritional profiles, however, are different. Margarine is high in unsaturated fat and occasionally trans fat, whereas butter is heavy in saturated fat. Saturated fat's effects on health are hotly debated, and recent studies have minimized its contribution to heart disease. On the other hand, researchers concur that trans fats, which are present in some kinds of margarine, increase the chance of developing chronic diseases. Because of this, trans fat-free portions of margarine are becoming more and more popular. Be careful to choose trans fat-free brands and goods prepared with healthy oils, such as olive oil, if you prefer margarine to butter. If the butter is your preferred food, think about purchasing items prepared with milk from grass-fed cows. Even if there is no clear winner in the end, if you are planning to fry food, butter is still the safer option. Chronic illness risk has been linked to consuming a lot of industrial trans fat as a result of high-temperature frying. Regardless of what you decide, use these products in moderation because, like everything else, too much of something is always harmful. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it. What is your opinion? Let us know in the comments below. Also, if you haven't yet, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up for more natural, healthy tips.